I bet you I have the weirdest sneeze. The cutest sneeze and the awkward sneeze. The awkwardest, the cutest, and the weirdest sneeze. I bet you. So I'm just gonna get the sneeze going. That was a weird sneeze. Well, and the next video, not next video, but you know, next sneeze. Literally, this is the cutest one. And the awkward sneeze. Sorry guys if this video bored you, but if you loved it, please leave a thumbs up. Our goal is 5K likes on this video, and I will make a video where I'm dumping an ice bucket of water on my head. I am so scared, and I'm gonna get part of the face. But and if I can get to 5 subscribers, yes, I will pie myself in the face. My friend gets to pull pranks on me for the day. I get an ice bucket dumped on my head, except this time it's extra ice. I'm not happy about it, but I'm happy about it because I'm doing it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!